Kabilbil, tayo po ay magluluto ng paksiw. Nagkagayat ako ng luya. Ilagay na kawali. Tapos nilagay ko ang isda. Masarap to kung may talong. Walang talong eh. Yan, nakabili ng talong. Yan. Yan. Tapos lagyan natin ng sibuyas. Pabulok na isang sibuyas ah. Ayan, tapos lagyan natin ng bawang. Tapos lagyan natin ng paminta. At bechin. Asin. Tapos lagyan natin ng suka. Tapos lalagyan natin ng konting tubig. Yan. Tapos, tatakpan ko na at aking sasalang. Yan ang itsura niya. Paparikit tayo ng apoy. Kikita niyo yan? Kalandi uling. Doon ako magluluto. Padikit muna. Ayan, paparikit tayo. Linisin muna natin ang kalan. Ang aking paparikit ay putol na hanger. Oh my God. Matay. Ay! Namatay siya. Yan. Antayin lang natin makadikit. Yan. O, diba? Nakadikit na. Ating isasalang na. Paspasan ng ayos para yung baga ay kumalat. Antayin na lang kumulo. Tingnan natin kung nakulo na. Kita ko sa inyo. O, ayan. Nakulo na siya. Pero, pakukuluin ko pa ng ayos yan. Para maluto ng gusto yung suka. Tingnan kung luto na. Ayan, luto na. Madali lang naman maluto pagka paksiw. Ayun, luto na. Tayo kumain na. Kain tayo. Ito na pa yung niluto kong paksiw. Kain. Kain. Sabaw natin. Hindi ako makapagsili kasi gawa ng aking apo. Aking sinusubuan. Hilig ako magkamay. Mas gusto ko nakakamay. Kaysa nakakutsara. Ang init oh. Nagaktak lang pawis ko. Ang init. Kain po tayo. Sarap.
That was so much fun. I made it all the way to the top by using the muscles in my legs and my
Bebe
great job. Wow, another makeup point. It was so cool. I can't wait to try another one. But first, we have to get out of our wheel. Pick up the key. Wait for the click. There it is. And release our wheel. Great. Are you ready for our next walk? Me too. Let's go. We're at our next wall. But first, let's check the key. All right. Here's how it's just for landing. And here's how it's just for up. Whoa. Stretch out my toes, please do.
Nagwala din si Kuya.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Ang galing.
I'm ready.
Umupo na ako eh. Hindi ko nailagay eh.
Whoa, don't these look like eggs? Alright, here I go.
Ayan.
Wow! Another mega point. Whoa! I made it all the way to the top by taking it one step at a time. All that climbing has made me kind of tired. I think now the break time
Okay
for
lang.
my break. Yeah.
Oh.
All right, let's put it on key. Quick. Grab a wheel. Let's go. I'm having so much fun climbing walls with you. But I'm feeling
Tingnan ko, nahihilig din ako sa sibuyas na ngayon.
more makeup points.
Sarap yung sibuyas.
Did I just get another makeup point for drinking water?
Bawang.
Climbing up high is a lot of fun, but it's important to drink water after you climb. That's called staying hydrated, and it's really good for your body.
Saan kayo?
Okay, now that I'm hydrated, I'm ready to
Yung
climb
aking kasama.
Ready? Let's go!
Ay, yung batang pusulit, yung subuan nga dyan. Kuring! Ano? Ayan. Ay. Bakit? Ano ka? Bakit? Ayaw mo?
Okay, I'm ready. Let's buckle in and head up the mountain. Be the one. Here I go.
Gago! Batang ito talaga?
It's something that repeats itself. See? Blue, yellow, blue, yellow.
Ulit.
Let's put another yellow one.
Okay ka muna sa kanila, Kai. Hi! Kain po tayo! Hindi. Mm. Hi! Hi! Wag yan, wag yan! Wag mo! Bisita. Bakit? Bisita. Ay, ito naglalakad. Naglalamo, lalo. Pasaring-saring. Ano pa?
Tulogin mo na ngayon.
Tulog ka na? Nakaroon pa kayo eh. Daya. Magbabay ka na sa kanya, Madri. Bye-bye! Bye-bye na, bye-bye. Bye! Ano naman? Bye-bye! Thank you for watching! Bye!